This video is about dating shotgun shells using the headstamp. My favorite thing about finding shotgun shells is how easy it is to figure out how old they are. Shotgun shells were invented in the 1860s. Early cases were made of brass and paper. In 1960, Remington began making shotgun shells with plastic cases. This is the area where I have found my shotgun shells. The first detailed map of this area was done in 1862. This right here is a farmhouse that is on the 1862 map. The house marked here is no longer there. All that is left is a pile of rocks. This is the only map that this house shows up on. This is the 1911 map that was used for the mail trucks. So this house was built sometime after 1877 and was gone before 1916. The first one we are going to take a look at here is the modern one. Since it has a plastic casing, we know it was made after 1960. I'm not really interested in finding out the exact date on this one since it is modern. This one I was not able to figure out a date on. It is too damaged to read the headstamp, unfortunately. This is the website I will be using to figure out the dates of the headstamps. There is a link for the website in the description of this video. The process is really simple. Just find the headstamp that matches. This one we can easily see is a Federal High Power number 12. On the Federal section of the website, we can see two Federal number 12 high powers. The one that matches is this one. It looks exactly like our shell. Date range that it gives for that is somewhere between the 1920s and the 1950s. The next one we have is the Peters number 12 high gun. These three right here are almost exactly the same. The red paint on this one makes it easy to see that this is the one that we're looking for. The date range for this one is from around 1910 or 1911 to 1924. This one is a Peters number 12 target. We have three close matches for the Peters target. It would be this one, and this one. Now the first one here has red paint, just like ours does. Also, the E and the T run together. If we look at the other ones here, the E and the T are separate. So the date range on this one is approximately 1899-1902 to approximately 1910-1911. This one is very hard to read, but it does say number 12 US Climax. This is the match. It's dated early 1900s, so it's just from around the turn of the century.